Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Joe from makeuseof.com, and today we're taking a look at the Aukey dual dash camera, or DR02D for short. This is a dual dash camera capable of recording both front and rear views at 1080p resolution. This little device can be picked up for around $140. The dual dash camera uses two cameras to record both the front and rear view of your car. You get 170 and 152 degree fields of view with 1080p resolution Sony sensors. As is expected from a device such as this, you get loop recording and emergency file protection as standard. The main camera is housed in a control unit designed to be mounted to your front windscreen. This has a tiny colour screen, a microSD card slot, microphone, camera and associated buttons, inputs and lights. The rear camera connects to the front brain through the supplied interface cable. This provides power to the rear camera and transmits the video feed to the front control unit for recording. The system is powered by the supplied 12-volt USB converter. Inside the box you'll find both cameras, several sticky back mounting plates, a power cable, a data cable and the USB converter. You'll also get several sticky cable clips, so everything you need to run. The only thing you'll need to purchase is a memory card. Both cameras mount on your windscreen using a sticky pad and a mounting plate. This provides a firm fixing to your windscreen, but due to the locking mechanism means you can quickly and easily remove the camera. The mounting pads are very strong, but you're able to remove them without damage. The rear camera needs the data cable running back to the control unit, and the control unit needs the power cable running to it. This is the tricky part of the installation, and it will vary depending on your car. For me, I was able to hide most of the cabling underneath interior trim and rubber seals, but you may need to do some creative thinking if this is not the case for you. Operating the DR02D couldn't be simpler. Once you've installed a memory card, the dashcam will power on automatically once power is supplied. Once powered on, it will automatically begin recording. If a collision is detected, the current recording will be automatically locked. This prevents it getting overridden by future recordings. On the front, there are 4 buttons and a colour screen. These buttons control various settings and display modes. The far left button is an emergency button. Pressing this will tell the dashcam to protect the current recording. Settings are easily changed using the simple menu and up and down buttons. A wide range of options are available, from internal microphone, clip recording length, resolution, format the memory card, configure the GPS and much more. It's possible to watch your footage live as it's being recorded. You can view both cameras at once or just a single one. While the cameras work well most of the time, it does occasionally have a glitch. Sometimes simple tasks such as accessing the menu would lock the camera up, but generally this only happened when you first start recording. If you give it a few seconds to get things in order, you'll be fine. Video quality is surprisingly good. It's not 4K and it's not as good as a DSLR, but you don't need that in a dashcam. The quality is good enough to see what's going on and who's at fault in a potential claim. It's even possible to make out number plates at close range. Like most dashcams, the wide field of view means you capture a few reflections and a few interior parts of your car. This isn't a huge problem, as you can still clearly see what's going on. The Aukey DR20D, or dual dashcam, is a wonderful device. Small and compact with dual cameras and good image quality. If you're ever in a dispute on the road, you can trust this camera to clearly capture the facts. Thanks for watching, and make sure you visit our link in the description below where you can read our full review. If you liked this video, leave a comment and a like below, and make sure you subscribe if you've not done so already.